Good evening, everybody. I'm Fox 2 News meteorologist Chris Higgins. I want to bring you a weather update. This is for Sunday evening, and we have a winter storm system headed for St. Louis. Actually, there are two storms that we're watching that are going to eventually merge into one. One is a strong, cold northern system. The other is a strong, moist southern system. And these two will collide over the nation's midsection sometime during the day tomorrow and into tomorrow night. The whole process of how they come together and merge will be the key to determining how much snow we eventually really get and who gets hit the hardest. But safe to say at this point, large part of Missouri and Illinois is going to see accumulating snow to several inches deep. It's just a matter of trying to pin down the details of exactly who gets hit the hardest. Here's the way it looks with our Futurecast forecast model through the overnight hours tonight. We'll start you this evening, put the maps in motion. And you can see overnight tonight, the blue out over northern and western Missouri is developing light snow and snow flurries. And by 6 a.m. in the morning, I think there will be some coverage of light snow and flurries to the Missouri River, to the Mississippi River on north of the Missouri River. So basically the northwestern quadrant of the viewing area will start off with some snow flurries, gradually ramping up to some light snow during the morning hours tomorrow. I think the morning rush hour looks fine, but towards the tail end of the morning rush hour does look like we'll start to get some steadier light snows from St. Louis and areas to the north and northwest. Could be during the day tomorrow. We'll see several periods of light snow, so we'll call for light snow at times, period in the morning, then a bit of a break, and then some more in the afternoon and through the late afternoon and evening hours. And overall, it's possible we might see an inch, perhaps as much as 2 inches west of St. Louis during the daylight hours tomorrow. But the bigger accumulations will come tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night as strong forcing in the atmosphere lifts several waves of snow that will be heavy at times late Monday night and into early Tuesday morning from southwest to northeast along the I-44 corridor right up through St. Louis and into southern Illinois. That's the period where I think the heaviest of the snow is going to come. And it could come down at times as fast as an inch or so an hour for a period between about 8 p.m. and midnight, maybe 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, Monday night into Tuesday. So Monday night looks like the heaviest period of snow. Temperatures this evening have been in the 30s, 33 degrees at this hour at French Village, 30 degrees at Maryville, Illinois, 31 at Troy. From Dundee, Missouri, looking at a web camera out there, you can see the moon in the background. Blue skies during the day. It was a pretty day today. Temperatures 33 degrees, humidity 61%. We have an east wind at 9. Our high temperature was 36, the low this morning 23. Normals are 42 and 24 degrees. Here's the way it looks with Futurecast on the big view. You see the northern system dropping south, the southern system getting pulled northward. The two of them will squeeze together, taking the moisture and wringing it out very efficiently along the I-44 corridor, covering most of Missouri by tomorrow evening with snow that will be heavy at times through tomorrow night into early on Tuesday, very early on Tuesday. Snowfall amounts right now, kind of a broad range here, but in general in Missouri and Illinois, looking for a solid 4 to 8 inch snowfall from Kansas City east along I-70 through the heart of St. Louis, then east towards Terre Haute, south to Fredericktown and Farmingtown, 4 to 8 inches, and north through Carrolltown, 4 to 8 inches. Kirksville area, and then north towards Des Moines, and especially on a line from just east of Des Moines down to about Quincy and Hannibal, there will be a stripe of slightly heavier snowfall that could push between 8 and 10 inches. That should be the max snowfall with the storm system up there to the north. So the forecast overnight tonight, flurries developing late tonight. Otherwise, it's increasing clouds and cold down to about 25 degrees with light winds. During the daylight hours tomorrow, it's not going to snow all the time, but there will be periods of some light snow and flurries. In general, I think west of the Mississippi River and north and west of St. Louis by evening, we could be looking at an inch to possibly 2 inches. High temperature of 32 degrees, southeast winds at 10 to 15. The real show gets cranked up tomorrow night with periods of snow, heavy at times, down to 23 degrees, the overnight low, southeast breezes at 10 to 15. Total storm accumulation, including all that falls tomorrow night, in that 4 to perhaps as high as 8 inch range across the entire Fox 2 News viewing area. The 5-day forecast on Monday, that periods of light snow giving way to heavier snow Monday night into Tuesday, early Tuesday morning. Snow showers and snow flurries on and off through the day Tuesday. Windy with blowing and drifting snow and a high of 26. 27 for the high with a mix of clouds and sun on Wednesday. 29 Thursday. Another chance for some light snow on Friday with a high of 32 degrees. Keep it tuned here to fox2now.com and to Fox 2 in the morning. We'll be on at 4:30 a.m. with all the latest news, weather, and traffic updates.